Want to start using the fun video app TikTok? You've come to the right place. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the TikTok app. Now let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is install the app. If you haven't yet, you can download it for free from the Google Play Store for Android or from the App Store on iOS. Once you've installed the app, the next step is to create an account, or log in if you have a TikTok or Old Musical.ly account already. If you don't have an account yet, check out our tutorial on how to create a TikTok account by clicking on the card on your screen now. To log in, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Login. Enter your username and password, then tap the check mark to sign in. Now you'll see your TikTok timeline. By default, you'll see just the top trending and popular posts on TikTok, but once you follow other users, you'll see posts from accounts you follow here. To follow other TikTok users, tap the magnifying glass in the bottom menu. Now you can type in the search bar at the top to find your friends on TikTok by their username. Or discover other people to follow by checking out hashtags. When viewing another user's profile, tap Follow to follow them. To create your first TikTok post, tap the plus sign at the bottom of your screen. To select a song for your post, tap Pick a Sound at the top. Then, look through TikTok's library of songs to find one you like. Tap the song you'd like to use. Then, tap Shoot with this sound. If you'd like to adjust the point where the music is going to start playing, tap the scissors icon. Then slide the music track to the point where you want the song to begin when you start recording. Tap the check mark to save your changes. Choose the speed you want your video to play when it's done. This will affect how fast the audio plays while you're recording your video. Now, aim your device's camera at whatever you'd like to record a video of. You can switch between your device's front and back cameras by tapping the circle of arrows on the right side of your screen. When you're ready, tap and hold the video camera button at the bottom to begin recording. If you want to stop recording, simply lift your finger from the camera button. To film hands-free, tap the stopwatch icon on the right. This will start a countdown, after which recording will start. If you want to stop recording, tap the pause button. You can make adjustments to the music with the scissors tool here if you like. Tap the colored dots to browse video filters. Tap a filter to see what it looks like on your video. The clock icon will allow you to access special effects. Tap an effect to preview it. If you like how it looks, tap Save in the top right. When you're all done editing your TikTok post, it's time to share it. Tap Next in the bottom right corner to move on. Now you can add a caption. Type in what you want it to say. Tag your friends in a post by typing the @ symbol followed by their TikTok username. If you want, you can share your post to your other social media accounts like Twitter. When you're ready to share your creation to your TikTok profile, tap Post. Wait a few seconds for your video to be uploaded, and you're all done. That's all it takes to create your own TikTok posts. If you want to learn about other cool things you can do with TikTok, check out the more advanced tutorials linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below.